Welcome back. The family of George Stinney, the 14-year-old African-American boy put to death 70 years ago in South Carolina, will have to wait a few weeks to find out if his name will be cleared. Within the last hour, the judge ruled the prosecution can have more time to review legal matters discussed in court. Earlier today, lawyers representing Stinney's case called their final witness to the stand this morning, a forensic psychiatrist who testified that Stinney's confession was coerced and not reliable. Stinney's supporters have long said he was forced to confess, and yesterday Stinney's sisters both testified they were with their brother on the day he's accused of killing 11-year-old Betty June Binnicker and 7-year-old Mary Emma Thames. Stinney is considered the youngest person to be executed in the United States in the past century. His trial lasted 1 day. NBC's Mark Potter joins me now live from Sumter, South Carolina. So this is obviously a to be continued issue here, Mark.
Absolutely. Judge Carmen Mullen decided that she would give some extra time to the prosecutor and the defense afterward to file legal briefs in the case, to look into a few things, and then she would rule at a later time. And so that's what caused the delay. Some time down the road, we expect that she will not hold another hearing, but will just issue a written ruling to be issued in this case on the issue of whether George Stinney's murder conviction is actually overturned. Now, in court today, as you said, the defense put on a psychiatrist who looked into the Stinney case and who said that after her study, in her opinion, that his confession, or at least the confession that police say he gave at that time, was a, quote, coerced, compliant, false confession. It is not reliable, she said. The prosecutors then put on the niece of one of the two girls who was killed in 1944, which George Stinney was accused of killing, and you mentioned her, Betty June Binnicker, age 11, and she said that she is opposed to overturning the verdict and said, quote, I believe that he confessed, he was tried and found guilty by the laws of 1944. Now, the family of George Stinney Jr. argues that it is high time to right what they are calling a travesty of justice, particularly the trial itself, the trial procedures leading to his conviction and execution. But the prosecutor says that it's just not right to use the laws of today, which are much, much different, to judge a case that occurred back in 1944. So that's the issue to be decided by the judge probably sometime next month. Cameron?
All right, Mark, thank you very much.